Okay, today we're in Loudenville, Ohio. It is in the Mohican Park area. Really cute, just little town in Ohio. Here is the pharmacy. They have this really neat mural on the side. This is such a cute little town if you were maybe wanting to hike or do some I don't know, canoeing, whatever, in Mohican, and then come to visit this little town. Down here there is let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, you can see down there they have a little theater, the Ohio Theater, and of course there's a bank, some cute little shops over here. But if you happen to be in the Mohican area and you're looking for something to do or do some little shopping, you could do it here in Loudenville. Over here is Stella's Ice Cream, and it is a really cute little ice cream shop that they have over there, ice cream shop and coffee house, and it's kind of set back like in the old days. This town, as you can see, is pretty old the way that these buildings are. It's just a neat little town to come and visit. They have all kinds of shops. The Black Fork Bistro, we've eaten in there before. Also really cute. It's just like burgers, some steaks. It's kind of like bar food. Really cute little restaurant to eat. There is it's called the Truly Inspired Paper Company, which is also a cute little store. There's the Indigo Owl over here. Cute little shop. Let's see. Today's July 4th, so they have a lot of activities happening. You can see all those tents up there. So we'll just do a little walk. There's a jeweler over here. Haircuts. There's the Indigo Owl, and it has it's just a really cute boutique. I've bought a couple things in there before, stuff that you are not finding at Target or TJ Maxx. We'll just take a little walk down here through the town. It's a little bit busier today just because it is the 4th of July. I mean, it's usually a sleepy little town. I mean, we're not talking New York City here by any means, but it's a little busier than normal. Let's see. Over here, first there is the ice cream shop, another little boutique, a couple little boutiques over there. There's Mug's Coffee Shop. Last I knew, though, there still wasn't really anything in that shop. They were trying to do fundraising for it. It does look like it's still empty. They were trying to do 100% like patron raised, and I don't know that they've ever raised their money to get into the Mug's Coffee Shop to be open yet. So here is, they have a Four Seasons. That's a little like flower and gift shop, a hardware store, H&R Block, Buzzard's Family Shoes, family-owned shoe store. Up here is Indian Jewelry Arts and Crafts. Not really my cup of tea, but some people are into that stuff. Here's a look at their stuff here. Let's see what else we have. I wanted to come down here to the Almond Building, and I think this building is so cute. I'm going to wait for these motorcycles to pass. Okay. The Almond Building was a hotel at one time, and I think it looks like the old days when you see the old Western movies and they had the old Western saloons. I feel like that's what it looks like. But evidently it must have been a hotel at one time, I'm assuming, since they still have the hotel marquee on the side. I think it's a really cute hotel, or I don't really know what it is now. It could still be a hotel, but I don't think that it is. Oh, it does say White Pine Saloon, so maybe it is still an old saloon, or that's right next door. And those two little buildings beside it, tattoo parlor, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but it's just like an old building. It looks pretty neat. I'm not sure when they were built or anything, but here they have a gym. There's a jewelry store over there. They have Miller's Furniture up here, which is Amish made furniture, which is always really nice. They have leather and upholstery. Okay, that's pretty much it as far as the actual little town goes. It's just a cute little, I mean, you could spend an hour or two here going through the little shops, and then of course I recommend going over to the Mohican State Park. There's all kinds of things to do. The big attraction of course is camping and canoeing, but if you wanted to get out of the campgrounds for a little bit, Loudenville's a cute place to go. And I do recommend the Black Fork restaurant. It was good, and 100% I recommend Stella's Ice Cream and Coffee House. It's so cute in there, so I'll do another video of Stella's ice cream shop so you can see in there. But just a cute little town to kind of come and visit if you're ever in the Mohican area.